In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of scheduling a post on your Facebook page. Whether you're busy or you want to post at a specific time, it's quite simple. First of all, you have to open your Facebook application, or you can go to www.facebook.com and log into your account, and then switch to your page where you want to schedule post. Now from the left-hand side of the screen, go to Meta Business Site, and then click on Create Post that is highlighted in blue color in the top. Tap on it. Select a photo or video that you'd like to upload. You can also add a text to the post. And right after you do that, you will see the option of scheduling options over here. Toggle this option on to set date and time for your post. I want this post to be published on 21st of January, so I'll be selecting 21 and tap on schedule that is highlighted in blue color. You can also boost your post if you like, and then click on done. So this was all about it. This is how you can schedule posts on your Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.